Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about subdividing polygons using multi-cut tool. So to get access to the multi-cut, you should go to the mesh tools, multi-cut, and I'm going to go to the options. So let's click one more time, multi-cut options. There you go. So basically, let's talk about add points. So you can add points like this. You can click anywhere to add points like this, okay? And for example, like this, you can add point as easy as this, okay? And to reposition your points, okay, you can simply click on them and then reposition them like that, all right? And if you not click exactly on a point and middle click here, you basically reposition your last, you can reposition your last point, all right? So put a point at the center, okay? How to put a point at the center? You just need to, for example, you want to make sure that your point is going to be exactly at this center, you need to hold down Shift and then click. Then you are sure that your point is exactly at center, okay? And for example, you have a point here, and then you need to make a 90-degree angle from this point, okay? Then you need to hold down Control Shift, and then in any direction you can create a 90-degree angle, okay, like this. So this angle would be 90-degree. And now let's talk about a snap step. What is a snap step? You have the snap step here, which is now on 10. The snap step is, for example, you want to add a point here, but you need to, if you hold on Shift, okay, it divides this face into 10. All right, so you can put your point here, and now you see that your point is going to be like a 20%, 30%, okay? So then you are sure that your point is on a 1/3 of the whole edge here. To delete the points, if you press delete key, your point is going to be deleted one by one and going backward like this. Okay, so this is how you delete your points. To insert an edge loop, you need to hold on Control and then click. Hold Control and click anywhere to put an edge loop, like this. And if you, now we are talking about the edge loop. To put your edge loop at the center, you need to hold down Control and Shift. By holding down Control and Shift, now you basically enables the snap step. So now this face is divided by 10, okay, and you basically snap to this 10 divided points. But for adding an edge loop at the center, you need to hold down middle mouse button and then click. So your edge loop is at the center now. Command Z. Let's talk about subdivisions. Subdivisions, you can find it here. Okay, subdivisions. It basically means if you let's put it on 10, okay, and adding an edge loop. As you can see, it subdivided your edge at 10. It adds 10 vertices, okay? So this is the subdivision, what subdivision does, all right? Edge flow, which you can find it here. Let's put back the subdivision to 1. And edge flow would add an edge with edge flow, like this. And as you can see, you have this flow here, all right? So Command Z, let's disable the edge flow, and then now let's talk about delete faces. So delete faces work like this. And to show you delete faces, let's actually talk about first the quick slice. Quick slice is you can quickly slice your mesh by, for example, click here and then click here. Okay, so this is quick slice with the deleted face enable. If I don't have my deleted face enable like this, I can just add a edge here. Okay, but when I have it enabled, as I slice it, as you can see, the second part is deleted. If you don't want the second part to delete it, you can extract it like this. So basically, you extract your mesh like that. But these two are still in the same mesh. To make them separate, you need to click on separate, then you have them separately. Okay, now let's go back. And now let's talk about a slice along plane, which is here. You can slice your mesh, for example, on a YZ axis, along the YZ axis. So you can put it here, and you are make sure that you are exactly on a YZ, and then now you can have the edge added here. So this is pretty much all about the multicut tool. Please check my website at defocusedeye.com and search for the subdividing polygons, where you can find different ways of subdividing polygons using multicut tool, quadra tool, and target weld tool, and adding edge loops, all other different way you can use to subdivide any polygons. Thank you.